Man, oh man, do I have a mess in here. Hey Sammy, you want to say hi?
No.
Guys, the main reason of this video, it's to show you guys the pace and how it looks right now. It's completely crap. It's so unorganized, guys, because I am doing a change. I thought that I already had my gaming setup and my editing setup the way that I wanted, but the type of videos that I am doing now, my Imac over there can't really handle it anymore. That's a 2011 iMac, 25.5 inch. It has an i5 in it, 12 gigs of RAM, 1333. It's okay, I can do great 1080p videos, guys, but right now that I'm trying to do 4K videos and 1440p videos, it's just too laggy. And so I got a 27-inch monitor here, guys. I am redoing my whole setup. You guys know that I build computers and I sell them, and guys, this was going to be one of them. But this computer, guys, I really need an editing computer. It has 32 gigs of RAM. It has the i7 6700K. That's an R9 380, and that's a 650 watt power supply that I modified. I changed the original fan because it was too loud. I put that silent in there. And it also has 3 fans, guys, going to the Thermaltake 3.0 Ultimate radiator, guys. Take a look at it. I customized it as well. I modify it. You see right there. And I got the first player fans, the Fire Rose. These fans, guys, these fans perform very freaking good. They are nice and quiet. And actually, guys, if you guys watched my previous video, I did the mod of up here, and I decided to go ahead, and this radiator, guys, used to be up here, so it was exhausting air out, and I had 3 other fans, you know, pushing air in. But I decided, guys, it was nice and quiet. It was quiet enough, but wasn't enough for me. I am building I'm building a silent computer. So I went this route. I already turned it on. I already tested the sound and everything, guys. And it's just perfect. And the reason why I used to edit on this computer here, guys, on my iMac with the dual monitor right here on my desk, it's because it was silent. And I actually have my microphone here, guys. So the monitor used to be here. I had the hard drives attached underneath here with Velcro, so the sound, the vibration wouldn't, you know, come to the microphone. And it was very quiet. It was very good and quiet. And I was using this M-Audio Fast Track Pro. I have had it since 2008, for a very long time now. And it still works pretty good, but it doesn't work that well with Windows anymore. Even though I downloaded the latest drivers, this thing right here just only wants to record to the left channel, and I was having a hard time with it last night and actually all day yesterday. I decided to go ahead and get this little mixer here. Actually, I used to have one years ago, back in 2007. I used to have one, but it wasn't the USB version. This is a new version here. So I know this brand is very good, very reliable and good sound. So what I did, guys, I plug in my Rode NT1A into here and I tested it with the computer, and it sounds pretty damn good. So I'm gonna have to get another one of these to use for Snow White. I am sorry for the mess, guys, but this is a video showing you the progress that I'm doing right now. Snow White, on the other hand, guys, I love this computer. It performs so freaking great. You know, it's got the i7 5820K overclocked to 4.5, and guys, it's too damn loud. Like sometimes I try to edit, like I did try to edit videos in here, guys. I got my other microphone here. This is a USB, Audio-Technica USB microphone. Okay, you can see right there, it goes up to the little arm stand and I can move it around. And guys, this microphone here picks up the sound of the fans. I don't know if this microphone can pick that up, but let me go ahead and be quiet and let you guys hear it. Let me move the little lav mic over there. And guys, even though I got those fans up there, you know, I have them on silent mode, the sound that it makes is completely horrible. It's just horrible, guys. I don't know if it's the fans with the fins of the radiators making that, you know, a little jet sound, but I hate it, and more when the microphone is like 4 feet away from it. It's just not a pleasant sound. I am waiting to get my GTX 1070. It's gonna go right there. It's gonna be white. I'm probably gonna get the Hall of Fame. And guys, right here where I have my desk in here, as you can see right here, I don't have enough space to put the computer. I was gonna put it down there at the bottom, and I was going to use this here, but I truly don't want to leave it on the ground. So what I'm going to build is I'm going to build something else in here. I'm going to continue this desk. I'm going to build it up, bring it this way, and I'm going to, you know, put my computer here. Hey guys, today is the next day. I finally built the cabinet that I talked to you guys about. You can see right here, I was up all night last night, but I was able to put it in right there, guys. I built this whole desk in here. I built it myself. See, it goes all the way around, comes all the way from here on an L, and it goes all the way around, and it comes all the way around here. And guys, right here I had an empty space, and now I have my editing computer here, guys. It's a silent computer. I still need to remove the film from here. What I have been doing all morning today, it's, take a look down there. Man, I'm exhausted. I mean, there's a whole bunch of zip ties on the floor here, and screws and everything else, guys. I removed my M audio interface from right there, guys. And man, take a look in here. This cable management, it's freaking insane. Like I said, guys, running this editing setup and having it nice and, you know, looking clean up here, it takes a challenge to do cable management. And I still have to, you know, put all the cables together better than what they are right now. I am probably going to remove that water cooler, guys. I don't know, I'm not sure yet. The fans do make a little bit of noise in here because the fans are right here, 360mm radiator here, guys. So it makes a little bit of noise. It's not horrible like my, you know, my Snow White computer. This thing is freaking loud, but not that crazy, but it is loud and it bothers me. Alright guys, well, I have my desk finally completely done. This is the way that it's gonna be right now. My computer is gonna sit right there. I am using the Already gaming mouse for editing for right now, guys. I have a wireless mouse on my way right now. I bought it yesterday. I'm using the first player, the Blackster mechanical keyboard for right now. It doesn't have the backlighting, so I'm gonna have to change that. I ran into a big problem, and that truly sucks, and I'm gonna explain to you right now. I also added the sound pads up there, but eventually I'm gonna fill up the whole wall. I'm gonna fill it up all the way to here. I'm gonna fill it up with that stuff, so I'm gonna order some in the next few days. And guys, I ran into a problem with my computer, a problem that I hate to have, but I have to deal with it, and I contacted the company. So I made my first video, guys. It's a Battlefield 1 gameplay, 17 minutes long, and I did my voiceover and whatnot, and I decided to go ahead and render it. And when I was editing the video, my computer started crashing. It crashed one time. It went to the blue screen. I'm gonna put it right here on the screen. I got this error code, and after that, guys, I rebooted it, and I, you know, changed my RAM settings and whatnot. I changed my settings for better performance. And what happened is that right after I did that, you know, the computer started performing well, like everything was fine. And so right after that, guys, I went ahead and, you know, rendered the video, and when I was at 25% of the video, the computer crashed into this error here. And so right after that, guys, I was like, what the hell's going on? So I contacted a friend of mine, and I said, bro, you know what, I'm having issues like I had with my other computer. So he helped me out because he knows a lot about these kind of things, these codes and stuff like that. So we went ahead, guys, and we launched that program, MemTest Pro. And what happened is that I started having errors. Take a look in here. So we launched the program, and what happened, guys, is that I started having errors. So that means that my RAM sticks are no good. They have a problem. Take a look in here, guys. I ran the test for about 6 hours, and it came up with 19 errors, and it didn't even hit 400%. Take a look in here. So that means that I have bad memory, that I have bad RAM, and it's not performing well with my computer. So I contacted Crucial Ballistix and I submitted my RMA. They accepted it. So right now I'm only waiting for the email with the shipping instructions and whatnot. And man, this really sucks. This really sucks because this sets me back. So now I'm probably going to have to remove the RAM, the memory RAM from my Snow White, and I'm gonna have to put it on that computer for right now. And this really sucks, guys. Another thing that I'm having issues with is the audio. Man, setting up the audios on these computers, on Windows computers, really freaking suck. I mean, the difference between, you know, an iMac computer or a MacBook Pro, the operating system, whatever you plugged in there, it just runs smoothly. It's plug and play. With Windows, man, you have to go around with the sample rate and yada yada and blah blah blah. Man, it's a freaking headache. I was up all day yesterday setting up the audio for this computer here for my editing setup, and it seems like I have it down pretty good now. But right now, guys, I was trying to use this M audio for Snow White, and man, I can't get this freaking thing to work. So if I sell my iMac computer, I'm gonna have to sell it with this because this works solid with it. So that really sucks. So thank you guys for watching my video. The reason why I made this video is because I like to document these type of things when I do changes in my room and whatnot, and I can later, you know, a year from now, I can come back and watch this video and I'm like, man, I remember when I was having issues with that, and I remember when I was going through that and yada yada, so I can sit back and watch. So that's the main reason why I do this type of videos, guys. And I know some of you like to watch this type of things. I like to watch this type of things, like Paul's Hardware, whenever he does some changes to his garage and his setup, I like to watch that, and I watch that over and over and over because I get knowledge out of those type of things. So guys, like I said, thanks for watching my video. This was Sergio with Tech Overclocked. Stay tuned for more videos, guys.